say, a little sister say. So excited. We're going to dinner. Oh shoot. Yeah, we're going to dinner and then watching the sunset. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun sister day. Okay guys, we have made it to the beach, all set up here, and now we're just gonna tan, and then probably go in the water. Hey vlog, so me and Kaylin just went in, got wrecked by the waves, but now we're gonna eat our lunch. I have just a turkey and cheese sandwich. Kaylin, what sandwich do you have?
I have turkey, cheese, mayo, and tomato.
Delicious. Hey guys, we are on the jetty. Look how long it is. Right by the ocean. So yeah, we're gonna walk this. Now we're just chilling in the sun, going to find a place to eat for dinner and watch the sunset. Now we are going to get changed into our pretty dresses for dinner and sunset.
So excited.
Okay, we got into our dresses. So pretty. Hey guys.
Hey.
So that was such a fun day, wasn't it fun?
Oh my god, it's so fun.
It was very fun. A nice sister fun beach sunset shop day.
Ice
So yeah,
cream.
ice cream, yes,
Yes.
delicious. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.